Well, I got that little pasture all fenced in, and my campers are on the way. And now we're gonna push all the cows. Anyway, we're gonna push them down to the fence line down here, and then we have a gate at the very bottom. And then Mark and Kim are gonna take that side over there, and I'm gonna take this side. And I'm supposed to cover this hillside of 4 cows. Like, if they try to run, I have to block them. Now, I'm not a very young gal anymore, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm down for it. I think we should just go for it. So we're gonna see, and hopefully everybody just wants to go to their new pasture and eat fresh grass.
Take them from the top of the mountain to the bottom of the mountain. Well, ladies, you guys ready to go? Some new fresh pasture. I think we'll have you go down without the goats, okay? Go down the road.
You're okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Nice and slow. We'll go at your speed. Keep going down. Keep going down. There you go. Let's keep going down. Go on, Deloris. Come on. Go on. Good girl.
That's it, fellas. Let's go.
Come on. Go on. Keep going. Good girl. Just stay on the road. Tell the boys, no running. Tell them slow down. Tell them slow down.
Where's Deloris?
What?
Where's Deloris?
Coming, watch me. The boys just want to run. They're a little rowdy.
Yep.
Okay, down the next one. Come on. Down the next one. Keep going, sweetheart. Down there. There you go. Down that road. Yep, just like that. No running. Oh. Tell the boys no running.
I don't mind if they go off over there.
Okay.
We can put them down that fence line.
Yep.
But you'll need to follow.
Yep. Keep going.
That's it. Nice and easy. Okay, go uphill at the fork so they don't come down.
Here.
Go up. Go up. Thank you. There you go. Turn around. There you go. Okay, stop right there. Just hang out there.
Sebastian.
Just go with everybody. Good job.
Okay.
Okay, come ahead, honey. Be noisy on the downhill side so they don't want to go downhill with you. Just
Whoop.
like go to the edge, put your hand down the hill. Yeah, see? He sees your hand, he comes up here. That's it. Come on. Okay. Honey, you want to go down on the lower road?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll just tumble my way.
No, just take it easy. They're going to settle in here. They're probably going to go forward because they're facing forward. But just come that way. And it's fine for them to go this way because they'll go out on that road to the fence line.
Okay.
Then we can pop that gate open.
Yep.
But
So
I
we'll just
have
start.
this gate open already.
That one?
Yeah, just like unhooked. Not open, unhooked.
I know. We parked the Ranger there because we wanted her mount this other gate.
Oh, okay. Well, we're doing great then.
Yeah. Let's just walk them right down that road, okay?
Okay.
Around the corner of the sand pit, and we can open this gate. So just come up a little bit, nice and easy, and they'll turn and come into sand pit, okay?
Okay.
And then you can go open that gate wide open to the orchard after they come into sand pit. I'll
Okay.
cut them off up here on the property line, and Kim can keep them off right here in the corner. And then I'll push them down the property line.
Okay.
Okay? Just like that. Set to where the edge so they don't come around you on the downhill. Like that. There you go.
Up, up, up. Up.
Come on, fellas, let's go. Okay. Honey, go pop that gate.
Thank goodness my knees and hips are all right.
Turn around. Time to go down.
Oh, there's wasps.
That's it. Show them out. Just like that.
Okay, she's ready.
There you go. Okay, here they come.
Up.
Okay, head to the Ranger, honey.
All right, let's go.
There we go, Billy. Let's go for a walk. There you go. Go straight down that road. There you go. Okay. Take a minute and browse. Take a minute and browse. Better than that, where that came from. Where you're headed. Better than that, where we're headed. You like that little, whatever it is, looks like a bear. Like a,
Like deal? Yeah,
yeah, I don't know what it is. Do you know what it is?
I don't.
It looks like an asparagus or broccoli kind of. You like that? Not every once you come across. Hey, honey. There we go. Just like that.
Oh yeah, she does like that.
That big bushy one with the little yellow flower on it. Right for it.
There's an alpha. Isn't that an alpha right there?
No,
The one that she's eating.
no. The one she's eating is that one that looks like a broccoli stem.
Oh.
Okay, do you need to get around them?
I'll go up on the fence if you want to just keep walking slowly behind
Yep.
it. I'll go up this way.
Just
so
give
that
me a hoop when you're ready.
Okay. I'm good. As long as they see me uphill, they won't press hard. And I'll just stay on the fence.
Yep.
Around the road, so you can come on up.
Okay. Come on. Up.
They're so cute, though,
Up.
Hi,
hon.
buddy. That's not the trail I want
Up.
you to go down.
Come on, sweetheart. Up. Up. Come on.
Turn around.
Let's go.
That's it, buddy.
There you go. Stay down here. Up.
Turn around.
Kim has my hose for protection. You want me to start my engine?
No,
Up.
not yet.
Okay.
They're okay. They've got fresh vegetation they haven't seen for a while.
Up.
Yeah.
And it's their
Up.
feed time. They're up and ready to feed. So
Come on, sweetheart. Up.
got stung.
Oh, shoot, Spark.
Stung for the crazy bastard. Yeah, just cut her off from the hay.
So you want him to go down this path still?
And then we'll push them off the road here. I don't care if they turn down. They can turn down this little side road towards the gate,
Okay.
or they can go off the hill.
Okay.
And either one's fine.
Sure.
We can give them a minute to.
Yep.
It's funny how much the cows really like that maple leaf too.
Yeah.
Sugar.
Sugar. Yep. Like chicken and waffles.
Yeah. Hang your hoe out on the downhill edge to keep his eyes turned, keep his head turned uphill,
Okay.
and then yeah, like that, and then come on in around on that edge and push him, and he'll come in line. If he comes uphill in that maple, everybody else will go with him.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Up. Up. Come on, sweetheart. Up. Come on, guys. Up. Up. Come on. Up. There you go.
Guys. Let's go.
Let's move to the next tree.
Come on.
You're okay.
I don't care if they don't turn down this, it's okay.
Okay.
We'll turn them down on the Heidi Road,
Okay.
and that's fine too. Or they can go down into the woods anytime they
Yeah. Let's see.
step off, and that's fine too.
Might be a little bit better
Oh,
to
yeah,
go this
here
way,
we
huh?
go. Here we go.
You okay with that?
Yeah, it's totally fine.
Okay.
So just let it go.
I'll just let you keep pushing. I'll stay on the upside.
Okay. Stay close to the road so he doesn't want to try to find a trail.
Yep.
We'll just turn him down here. Now come down, cut him off and come down towards the road so they don't push
Yep.
toward that gate too hard.
Okay, guys, you're not gonna like this, but we gotta start going downhill, okay?
Turn him down. No, okay.
Up, up, up.
Turn around.
There you go. That's okay. Up, up.
It's a little steep right here. You may not want to do it until
Okay.
we get over here, but. Hey!
Okay, come on, guys. So sit down.
Ticket. That's the ticket. You got that now. You get to that. Little packet stuff.
Nice and slow.
Come on, come.
Up.
Come on. Keep going.
Yep. Yep. Come on. Up.
Hey, Deloris. Hey, Deloris. Go forward, huh?
Up. Up.
Oh, yeah, they will. Is that black one behind or?
Yeah, I'll get him. Yep.
They left them naked. There you go, fellas. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Down through there. Come on.
Let's go.
Yep. Yep. Stay down.
That's it. We're gonna hit our road here.
Okay.
Another
You're doing great, guys.
40, 50 feet.
Yep. You're almost there. Yep. Yep. Yep.
You're gonna want to try to come up on this shelf and all, but you never know.
Okay.
From the right angle, it looks pretty good.
Just tell me when you're ready. Nice and slow, Deloris. Don't get running now.
Got here just in time.
Deloris, you made me stairs.
I'm right here. Oh geez, that Angus, he's a little disobedient.
You good, Spark?
I'm down here blocking the path.
Okay. The Angus is uphill.
I see
He's
him.
coming down.
There he comes. Yeah, just block it so they go up that road.
Okay.
Give them plenty of room to want to go up it.
Okay, guys. Just to the right there. Ready, Spark?
Is there another cow? Oh no, it's just Marc. Is that another disobedient Angus? There's
All right.
Kim with the hoe and
Back up.
Up.
Just a little. There you go. There you go. Good. That's perfect. Just nice and easy. Let them take their time. Find their way. If they do it on their own.
Good job. Good job. Beautiful.
this has not been bad cow herding. I thought it would be worse.
They're doing great.
Having a fence line to work with helps so much.
Up,
Yeah.
Up.
Okay, guys, stay down. Stay down. There you go. There you go.
That was easier than the goats.
Up.
Just like that. No,
Yep. Yep. Come on, Deloris.
just like that.
Come on.
Stay
Come on,
down.
sweetheart. Yep.
Up.
Up. Up. Up.
That. Almost there. 20 more feet.
Up.
Yep. That's it.
Up. Up.
They're in.
They're
all but
in? Right on.
Gonna grab some twine, honey?
Where would that be?
There should
the
be
bucket?
some in the bucket of the Ranger.
Oh,
Up.
I got
There we go,
myself
come
all
on.
locked up. Hey, that was not bad. I thought we would be all over the mountain, but I mean, we still were, but not
There you
that
go,
bad.
guys.
So I came to
New,
pick up
fresh place to eat.
the cow herders, and we'll close up the gate and let them be in the pasture for a little bit.
Just like herding cats.
Cows moved.
Okay, looks like we did it. We're just gonna tie them off, and they look so happy, and look at all that browse they got. About 1/3 of an acre, you said?
Yeah, a little over.
A little over 1/3 of an acre.
Yep.
Moving right along. How did that hoe treat you?
This is the best hoe around.
See, Mark? Kim even agrees. So, there you go.